Welcome to this video guide. I'm going to show you how to create a SimpleBackups MongoDB Atlas backup. So it's as easy as going to your SimpleBackup screen, searching for MongoDB, clicking on it, and then navigating to your Atlas project, going to database access, creating a new database user. I'll just call it SimpleBackups or SPIO and give it a password, something like this. Then I'm going to give it the read and write to any database role. Let's copy that. Awesome. Now let's go back to our database clusters. Click on connect, drivers, and copy the connection string. In SimpleBackups, we are going to go to paste connection string instead. From here, we're going to enter our database username, which is SPIO, and password, which is password123. I'm going to enable backup all databases, so this will enable it to back up all of the databases in this cluster right here. And I'm going to click on behind a firewall so I can copy these IP addresses and allow them in my Atlas configuration. So let's navigate to network access, click on add IP address, and we just copy each one and add it here. Now let's wait for these to become activated. All right, and now we can set up our backup. Let's call this MongoDB Atlas. Choose to run it on a daily schedule only, and we can either connect a new storage from here, add secondary storages. In my case, I'm going to enable SimpleBackups simple storage option, and what this will do is it will enable me to use a simple storage solution that is provided by SimpleBackups. Now I can just select it, and I can also enable encryption if I want that, but I'm going to skip that option for now. All right, now the database backup has been set up. We can choose to trigger it to make sure that everything is working fine and dandy. So let's click on run now, and we can see here that the backup is currently running. I can also view the state of your backup from within the logs tab, and that will allow you to see the status of each backup that has been taken, and it will allow you to view more info on that backup. So right now this is a backup that we can view. We can see the console output in case there's something that we're interested in there. Let's wait a little bit and see when the backup successfully ends. All right, after a while, the backup has been completed successfully. Now I can click on the backup, and I can choose to download it. I can view the database size, and I can view the logs here. And of course, I can do an automated or manual restore, and give me the signed link to download this backup and instructions on how to restore it.